miss him.
Me too.
You know, it's weird. From the way that you spoke about you, I kind of feel like I know you. And then I meet you in person and realise it's so much worse.
Jim, would you like a glass of water?
No, thanks.
Biscuit?
No.
I've got some Garibaldi's in the cupboard.
Yeah, I know.
I can make you some squash. Tea. How about some tea? I can put some coffee on, or there's some of those lovely fig rolls.
Yes, I know, Grandad. I bought them. I don't like fig rolls anyway.
Just trying to help.
Nathan, I just wanted to say, you're the best brother I could ever wish for. And that I love you. The world's ending, Ducky. The world's in chaos. But we're safe. You and me. In our fortress. Our home. Just me and you. We could stay here forever.